Move Fabric says the scraps in this 5-pound mystery box are great for doll sewing. But are they really? Let's find out together. By the end of this video, we'll know exactly how many of these mystery fabrics are useful for doll projects. Finding fabric for dolls can be tricky. Sometimes fabric stores only sell large cuts, and many fabrics are too thick. Or the print looks great for full-size projects, but not great for doll-size projects. A mystery scrap box sounds like a great solution, especially when the description mentions doll sewing. But with a mystery box, you never know what you're going to get. You can end up with a collection of fabrics perfect for your project, or a palette of fabrics that simply won't work. Let's see what's inside this box. This is an interesting print. It's lightweight, and I can see it becoming a doll dress or skirt. This fabric is lightweight, but the floral print is a little too large for small dolls. I think it will look better on a larger doll, or even as part of a doll room. This is an interesting piece. It has a palm leaf print on it, but the scale is a little big for my smaller dolls. It has quite a bit of stretch. I haven't worked with spandex before. I think it could be fun as a skirt or another outfit for my larger scale dolls. How would you use this fabric? Let me know in the comments. This is a sturdy woven fabric with a really interesting southwestern print. It doesn't have much drape, and it feels heavy and bulky for most doll projects. I don't want to rule it out completely. I can see myself using it for doll decor or another small project. I really like this one. It has a beautiful smooth finish, and this would be my first time sewing with satin. I think this fabric has a lot of possibilities and can work for a variety of doll sizes. This is another fabric I think will work well for a lot of doll projects. Since it's white, I don't have to worry about any color transfer, which is always something I think about when choosing fabric for dolls. I can see myself using this for dresses, tops, or other small projects. This denim fabric is really nice. I think it's probably a medium weight, but I'll have to experiment with it to see. I can definitely see it working for my larger scale dolls as a cute skirt. I'm not sure how it will work for my smaller dolls. I'm not exactly sure what this fabric is, but it's lightweight and has a really smooth feel. I like the solid color because it can work for so many different doll projects. This is a different fabric for me. I haven't worked with anything like this before. The pleats are a little too large for my smaller dolls, but I think they can work for my larger dolls as a skirt or a dress. This is a really nice piece of fabric. It's smooth, lightweight, and it feels like it's well made. Let's see what's printed on the edge of the fabric. I think this could work for many doll sizes. I can picture it as a cute pencil skirt or even a pair of pants. The fabric is soft. It feels like it would keep you warm. Because it's a solid color, I think it can work for lots of different doll sewing projects. But the weight of the fabric may limit what you can use it for. I would love to make a comfy coat from this fabric. I think I could also make a cute skirt for my larger dolls. I'm not sure what this fabric is, but it's really soft and very lightweight. Since it's black, I'll need to be careful about possible color transfer. It's too nice of a fabric to pass up though. I think lining the finished project could be a good solution. Ready to sew pal. These are the fabrics that I can use right away. They are the pieces that I can take to my dolly library, find a pattern, and start sewing. Needs planning. These are the fabrics that I can use, but they'll need a little more planning. I may need to think about the right pattern, doll size, or project before use. Challenge pieces. These pieces will need a lot more planning. All the fabrics in this box had something interesting about them. Let's take a closer look at 3 of the pieces that stood out to me the most. So one thing I was curious about was the value of the fabrics in this box. I went back to Mood Fabrics and looked up the pieces I could still find. Then I added up what these fabrics would have cost if I bought 1 yard of each. So, is Mood Fabrics 5-pound mystery box a good choice for doll sewing? I would say yes. Not every fabric was ready to become a doll outfit right away, but there were a lot of pieces that I can see myself using for future projects. Thanks for joining me while I explored this mystery box. I would love to know, which fabric was your favorite? Do you think mystery fabric boxes are worth trying for doll sewing? Let me know in the comments. If you know another doll sewist who would enjoy seeing what was inside, feel free to share this video with them. I'll see you in the next one.